Hi there, my name's Carl, and I'm one of the owners of C-Sert Manufacturing. And this is one of our C-Serts. Every C-Sert comes with a lifetime warranty. No, guys, don't get mixed up. It's not my lifetime I'm talking about. It's much longer than that. It's for the lifetime of your equipment. It starts with a lightweight, 29-pound, German-made magnetic drill, and with a C-Sert design 60-degree center. Hey, Josh, I need some help with this while I talk. Would you give me a hand? Josh is one of our techs. He's putting in the 60-degree center. Now, he's centering the mag drill on the damaged hole. Step 3 is to apply the paste coolant to the cutter. Step 4 is to put the cutter in the mag drill. Step 5, open up the pilot hole for the 16mm C-Sert. Step 1, Josh is putting on tapping fluid. Step 2, he's fitting the installer to the C-Sert. Step 3, he's seating the C-Sert. Step 4, he's putting on an impact socket to his cordless Milwaukee. Ready, go. That all took less than 1 minute. For our plastic injection molding customers who are repairing their platens with C-Serts, we strongly recommend that you use one of our fail-safe C-pins when you install your C-Serts. For the German mag drill, the annular cutters, the center, and the paste lube, all for less than $1,000. That leaves Amazon way back in the dust. For the Milwaukee Impact, 2 big 12-volt Milwaukee batteries, and the fast charger, $600 or less.